How can I support you? How can I support you? Well, this is how you can support me: by engaging with my post, sharing my content, liking my content. You never know, my next client might be on your feed. And when you come into my DMs to ask for prizes, make sure you ask for payment method and make payment immediately. Because, my dear, just asking for prizes doesn't pay the bill. It doesn't keep the business going. Make payment, please. Thank you. Oh, one thing about me, I will post my work. I will let you know what I do. There is no way I'm going to hide what I do. I'm going to post it. I'm going to put it in your faces. In fact, I'm going to force you to see it, even if you are refusing to see it. Just look at this awesome work. Look at this beautiful work. Okay, we are going to create magic together so that you know what I do, so that you would come and patronize me. Let's get to work.